This is the tip of Lake Circle, I guess it's called. I can see on the other side, on the canal, the water has gone up above the seawall there. And it looks like it has over on the condo. If not, it might be encroaching the grass on the tip, but there's still some space over there. So it's a different perspective. Yeah, it's not, from where I was in Building H, it looked like it was on the grass. It doesn't seem to be the case, so that's why I took a ride over. I wanted to see. And let's see. Yeah, it seems like it's below the water level, unless they're letting out more water now. I don't know. But this is January 10th. The water level after 13 to 18 inches, I'm hearing. Rain all last night, heavy rain. As you can see, it's probably just a little, probably a foot and a half before it would hit the grass line. So they did a pretty good job in raising the land, I guess. Over on Building J, they seem to have a higher land over there. This is the back of Leisure Circle on the lake, of course. And we have a Schifferella growing here in the water on the wall that needs to be removed, because it will certainly bring down the seawall in time. No one sees that, I don't know why. Oh, there's another one over here, and I didn't see it, so what am I saying? Umbrella trees, you're not allowed here. You got a good grasp on that. That's a good stalk. Yeah. Okay. I don't think people will be going boating down to Lake Idas today. They're not going to get under the bridges at this point. Hey there, fella. Well, it's definitely above the seawall here. It's up in the grass. I think there is a seawall here. I thought there was. I don't see it though.